How to use Otter AI with Zoom. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your browser and then search for Otter AI. After you have landed in this interface, what you will have to do is go to the menu bar in your top left corner, and then you will see the option of apps. Simply go there and you will need to find Zoom app and simply add it. Now you can transcribe and summarize your Zoom meetings and webinars. You'll just have to sign in to your Zoom account and done. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.